பிரியதர்ஷினி
மேம்
அக்ஷயா வந்திருக்காளா?
இல்ல மேம் இன்னும் வரல மேம்.
இன்னும் வரலையா? ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே. அருண் ராஜா no response. Arun Raja is not there. Raghavi is on the line.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can start presenting.
Okay, ma'am.
So yesterday previous class flora and fauna. Just refresh that after she take. After question session, we'll see the time. Otherwise, next class only. Any doubts regarding fauna and flora, children?
No doubts, ma'am.
Can I present now?
Yes, dear. Yes, dear. You can present, dear. Sarath is on the line.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many boys today present, ma'am? Just check it out and say. Raghavi, you're presenting in the phone, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I
3
don't
boys,
have
ma'am.
laptop now, ma'am.
Sorry, dear. I can't get your voice.
3 boys, ma'am.
3 boys. Okay. I will talk to you later on. What, Raghavi, you're saying?
I don't have laptop now, ma'am.
Oh, you're there at home only, no?
Yes, ma'am. But my mom is using my laptop, ma'am.
Okay, fine, dear. So check, because if you do in phone, no, some interruption will be there. Just check it out, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
While you're presenting, better do it in laptop, children, or desktop. Phone means when your voice will break.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so don't do next time like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Your screen, make it enlarge.
Ma'am, we can zoom it, ma'am.
You zoom it. Let us zoom it.
Okay,
She has to
ma'am.
zoom. No, it's very small.
Now, ma'am.
Little more. Okay. Now it is clear because the picture, what you are showing, it should be entire. The slide will be enlarged. You show it in 100 points, so it will be enlarged clearly. It is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
And phone, it will be like that one. It's only I told you to do in the laptop. Okay, dear. Okay, you can start.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your topic?
Bentos, ma'am.
Okay, you have to give introduction now.
Yes, ma'am.
Who's presenting? Where's that introduction slide? First slide, introduction by Raghavi. Topic. Yes, you can on your video.
Ma'am, the video can't be.
It can be seen. Video
No,
can be seen.
There is no option for that, ma'am.
It's their option. Just check it out. Phone,
மேம்
mute.
இப்போ நம்ம வந்து ஃபோன்ல இது பண்ணிட்டு அடுத்த ஏதாச்சும் ஸ்க்ரீன்குள்ள போனோம்னா வீடியோ கட் ஆயிரும் மேம்.
அதுக்கு தான் phone யூஸ் பண்ணாதீங்கன்னு சொன்னேன். While you're presenting, it should be in phone. இது phoneல பண்ணினா இந்த ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் இப்படி தான் இருக்கும். See, entire picture is phoneல பத்தி எவ்வளவு இதுவா இருக்கு பாரு, ஷேக்கிங். அதனால சொன்னேன் லேப்டாப்போ டெஸ்க்டாப்போ பண்ணுங்க when you are doing presentation. கிளாஸ் கேட்கும்போது ஓகே, no problem. When you are presenting oral presentation la, it should be like that. Okay, you can start here.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, everyone.
Make it enlarge very small now. PPT cannot be seen properly for me. Size என்னமா size பாரு. Then இது ஆப்ஷன் ஒன்னு இருக்கு பாரு. Make it enlarge னா அந்த entire plate. நான் காமிக்கிறேன் பாரு. ஒரு ஸ்லைடா காமி. Don't show the full slide. One slide.
மேம் அது வர மாட்டேங்குது.
அதுதான் போன்ல இந்த பிரச்சனை. நான் தான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்றேன்.
இன்னைக்கு லேப்டாப் எனக்கு கிடைக்கல மேம்.
ஓகே டியர், நோ ப்ராப்ளம் டியர். ஓகே.
நான் கொஞ்சம் ஜூம் பண்ணி காமிக்கிறேன் மேம்.
ஜூம் பண்ணுமா, ஜூம் பண்ணு.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to talk about bentos and its type and its importance.
முதல்ல பெருசா இருந்தது. இப்போ பார் போயிட்டே இருக்கா? இப்போ ஓகே டியர். இப்போ ஓகே டியர்.
What is bentos? Bentos is nothing but it is come from the benthic zone. What is this benthic zone means? The benthic zone is one of the ecological regions of water bodies. It mostly comprises the ocean floor, the base of the lake, the sediment surface layers. The organism which comprises this benthic zone is known as bentos. These bentos mostly comprises of the organism that live on near the or under the seabed, lake, river, or at the bottom of the stream. This bentos term is coined by Haeckel in 1891, which derived from the Greek meaning the depth of the sea. These organisms are echinoderms, coral reefs, sponges, polychaete worms, sea squids, and etc. Based on size, type, and location, these bentos are classified into macro. By size, it is classified into macrobentos, myobentos, and microbentos. And by types, it is classified into zoobentos, phytobentos. And by location, it is classified into endobentos, epibentos, and hyperbentos. Microbentos. The microbentos organisms are mostly less than 0.1 millimeter in size. Example, bacteria, diatoms, amoeba, dinoflagellates are comprises these microbentos. Macrobentos are organisms which are visible to the naked eye and they are greater than 1 millimeter in size. Examples, echinoderms, sea squids, crabs, lobsters, sponges, coral reefs, etc. Myobentos. These organisms comprises the sizes between the 1 millimeter and 0.1 millimeter in size. They are not larger than 1 millimeter and they are very larger than 0.1 millimeter in size. Example, nematodes, foraminiferon, copepods, etc. This image represents the myobentos foraminiferon. These are the example for macrobentos, microbentos, etc. These images, the sea squirt images, which are on the deep ocean layer. And these are the microbentos. Example, dinoflagellate. Based on the type, the zoobentos, phytobentos are there. Zoobentos, the name itself saying that it is represent animals. It belongs to a animal bentos. Example, crab. Phytobentos is the plant bentos. It includes most plants that belong to the benthic region. Example, macroalgae. Classification by location. Endobentos, epibentos. Endobentos, this creature buried in the sediment region of the benthic region. Their roots will be in under the layer of that oxygenated top layer of the sediment. Example, sea pen. Epibentos are just, they will be in the top layer of the sediment. Example, sea cucumber. Hyperbentos. These bentos neither will be in the top region of the sediment or in the under region of the sediment. They will just lie above the sediment. Example, rock cod, fish. This type of fish and all hyperbentos. Characteristics of bentos. Since these bentos are in the deep region of the sea, they will easily adapt to the cold temperature and elevated pressure. And they since they are inhabiting the deep water pressure areas, they cannot survive in the upper parts of the water column. And these organisms are really rely on the waste or debris, so they are called detritivores. Due to the lack of sunlight, these bentos mostly depends on the dead organic matter of nutrients. Factors affecting the abundance of bentos. They are classified into biotic and abiotic factors. For biotic factors, the competition for space and food, predators, reproduction, osmoregulation. Osmoregulation is nothing but the concentration of the osmotic pressure, which depends on the salt concentration and freshwater concentration. Then substrate settlement preference. For abiotic factors, salinity. Salinity means the salt concentration. Some organism can adapt to the salt water concentration, and some can adapt to the freshwater concentration. So it depends on the salinity, temperature. As we say about the last slide, we can tell that temperature, it can only adapt to the cold temperature. Air and light. The lack of sunlight and air in the deep ocean can also affect their life on the regions. Tidal flow, natural disasters like earthquake can affect the benthic organisms, waves and currents. Adaptation of bentos. Bentos obtain food by suspension feeding, just like filtering food in the water column, and deposit feeding. Eat food particles lying in the sediments. They eat the waste or debris lying in the sediments. Scavengers. They will locate dead animals falling from above and go for long periods without food. They can go for long periods without food, or they will locate some dead animals which are on the upper layer of the sea. Air bladders. These animals have air bladders where they can pressure is required for proper enzyme function. Expelling. Internal organs provide predators with a meal while they escape to generate lost parts. These are the picture representing the distribution of the benthic organism. Most bentos are present in the area of high primary productivity, mainly on the continental shelves of the region, and they are affected by surface ocean currents. Advantages of bentos. Bentos are having a limited mobility. As they are lying in the sediment, they have limited mobility, and so they are the good indicators of the condition of water qualities, whether it is a good or bad. And they are sensitive to environment impacts, and they can easily adapt to that environmental changes. They serve as primary food source for many organisms. They serve as a food source in the sea region. They play a critical role in the functioning of the ecosystem. Role of bentos in aquatic ecosystem. Bentos rely on the dead organic matters, and they release some nutrients by excretion, which are then burrowed into the sediments. These bentos filter large amount of water and pump into the body, so that these sediments and organisms are washed down. Thus, they are filtering out the water. Many fishes feed on, these play a very important role in the ecosystem. Many fishes feed on the small to medium sized benthic organisms that live on the seas. Thus, they are acting as a food source for many organisms. And they improve the oxygen concentration level by mixing the sediments. These are some examples of benthic organisms. Starfish, crab, coral reef, they all are living in the deep ocean of the seas. Bivalves, dragonets, seagrass. These are the different community of marine organisms. The under layer of the sea is the bentos and epifauna, infauna. The above is the plankton region, zooplankton and phytoplankton regions. Thank you. Ma'am.
Raghavi is on the line.
Yes, ma'am.
You said air bladders. Where you can see the air bladders?
Ma'am, in gills, ma'am.
Good. So what is the nutrition food take place in air bladder?
The dead organic matters, that and all, ma'am.
Only that all?
No, ma'am. Like dead organic matters and some nutrients in the sediment region, ma'am.
Nutrients in the
That
sediments.
waste debris and all, ma'am. In
Waste
sediments, the
debris.
waste and debris, they rely on some organism will rely on the waste.
Ah, yes, that is the point I need. Good, good, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, some food nutritional can give more points in that. Related pictures you would have shown with that. So how it consumes, how the predator sprays and how it consumes the food, that you can show with the picture means it will be more informative. Good explanation, good presentation. No, there were no grammar mistakes, so good. But little bit, don't read the points.
Okay,
With the
ma'am.
picture itself, you can say, because only I can know the little only you have read the points. Don't read the points because we are seeing it. Okay, so what
Yes,
she
ma'am.
wants to try it. That anyway, good effort. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Keep it up. Keep it up. So your mark is 90.
Thank you, ma'am.
Seminar, not assignment. Seminar.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
so don't confuse your thing. Your seminar mark is 90. This
Okay, ma'am.
PPT you will convert into PDF,
PDF. Yes,
single
ma'am.
PDF, and you will upload in Google Classroom. Where you
Okay,
should
ma'am.
upload?
Google Classroom.
Yes, you have to upload in Google Classroom for your thing. So that is the mark which I'm going to give for your assignment too. Okay,
Okay,
Raghavi, good.
Thank
So
you, ma'am.
questions to 1 second. Questions to Raghavi. Students, any questions to Raghavi?
No, ma'am. It is clear,
Everything
ma'am.
is clear, you will say. All of the students. Okay, I will ask one by one. You ask the question. Then only I know whether you can understand or not. Kamachi, why she left the meeting? Reshma Sultana, please ask question to Raghavi, your friend. No, you should ask question. No doubts. No doubts. Ask a question, let her reply. You know what oral presentation means, what seminar means, you have to ask questions.
Doubt lam எப்படி மேம்
No,
क्वेश्चन
you
கேக்குறது
doubt இல்லாட்டி கூட கேளு. சரி, நான் கேக்குறேன், நீ பதில் சொல்லு.
இல்ல வேணாம்.
என்ன டைப் அப்படி சொல்லக்கூடாது. அவ சொன்னால பென்டோஸ் ரியஜன் in which type of zone it is present? Come on, tell me the answer. புரிஞ்சிச்சுன்னு சொல்றீங்கல்ல, அப்ப क्वेश्चन ஆன்சர் பண்ணு. அவ பிரசன்ட் பண்ணதுல இருந்து you can ask, you can give the answer. See, don't say that word hereafter. All of them should ask question. If you not ask question, you will get minus points when you are presenting. Ravina Devi is on the line.
Yes, ma'am.
Ravina, yes, ask a question to Raghavi.
Question.
Question.
Wait, ma'am.
Wait, ma'am. Say softly. Wait, ma'am. Other பயப்படுற சொல்ற சாஃப்ட்டா சொல்லுமா மேம் கிட்ட.
After தான் மேம் சொன்னேன்.
Wait, ma'am அப்படின்னு சொன்னார். Okay. Sarath.
Ma'am,
Ask questions to Raghavi.
ma'am, does crab come under bentos species?
I am not Raghavi. Your friend Raghavi is there on the line. Ask her the question directly to her.
Does crab come under bentos species?
Yes. It comes under, some crabs are on the under layer of the sea, so it will come under bentos.
Okay.
If
Ma'am,
you say species,
got
variety
it,
of species of crabs are there, Raghavi. If you
Yes,
say
ma'am.
particularly about in bentos, what type of a crab? There's a name. Example is there. I have given for you when I was telling. So you should have mentioned. But commonly you say, next time when you say, you can see, because all the crabs cannot be there in bentos. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
What's Sarath?
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yeah,
Good.
clear.
Yes, good. Next, Jennifer Evangeline. Adit? Aditya on the line? Those who are not asking question will be mark reduced. Don't leave the meeting in between. Kamachi is there on the line? No response from Kamachi? Anusha? Anusha? No response from Anusha. Bhavyashree? நல்லா explain பண்ணம்மா. She will give an answer to ask question. Bhavyashree?
Ma'am, no doubt, ma'am.
No, I'm not asking doubt. Ask a question. You have to answer. No doubt. Doubt is different from asking question, Bhavyasri. No response. Okay, let's mark. Kapila Kumari?
Yes, ma'am.
You ask a question?
Okay, ma'am.
Good. Make it fast. What she presented. Bentos, in that you ask her.
Raghavi, whether these organisms are edible? You said crab, lobster.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
What
It's
question, Kapila? Kapila, நீ என்ன question கேட்ட?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
அந்த
அது
இருக்கிற
eat
ஆர்கானிசம்லாம் வந்து
அது
edible marketingலாம் எடுத்துட்டு போவாங்களான்னு கேட்டேன், ma'am.
எடுத்துட்டு போலாம்.
Okay, fine.
அதான் யூஸ்
Fine.
பண்ணேன் மேம் அது.
Okay,
அந்த
clear
crab
the
எல்லாமே
question.
எடுத்துட்டு போலாம்ல. அதனால
Okay.
இது வேணா எடிபிள் நம்ம சொல்லலாம்.
Okay, good, Raghavi. That is the interaction I want. Very good. Keep it up. Kapila and Raghavi, that is the introduction. Okay, Reshma Sultana did not respond. Shruti, she's on the line. யாரார் கேட்கலையும் மார்க் கிடையாது. Shruti.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, please ask her a question.
Okay, ma'am.
சீக்கிரம் கேளுமா, லேட் ஆகுது.
No questions, ma'am.
No questions. So Shruti is getting less mark. No questions. What
Why,
about? You should ask question. She have to answer Bentos. It is clear means you should ask question. You have to answer. Then only both of them what attending the class, very what she is explaining, you have understood. Ask question. Without ask question, just what is that? When you're going for an interview, they will ask question. You have to give an answer.
Okay.
Just like presenting, they won't leave you. Sukanya is on the line.
Yes, ma'am.
Please ask a question.
Yeah. She said that these organisms are mainly present on the deep bottom layer of the sea. So, like how? So it will be so dark, no? So they have that bioluminescence effect or something because
Very good question.
Yes.
she didn't.
Yeah, they have, some organism can produce light on their own.
Yeah. So because in the bottom it is very dark. So these organisms should have.
One second, Sukanya. Raghavi, go to the PPT of that light. Different layers of zones. What is the depth and what is the light? Go to that. Slide. Very good question.
Ma'am, I want to present that, ma'am.
Answer. அது அப்படியே அவள் காமி. Twilight எந்த லேயர் அவ கேக்குற bioluminescence எந்த layers of zones in bentos? What is the depth? என்ன twilight bioluminescence red color what Sukanya?
Ma'am, அந்த ஸ்லைட்ல இருக்காது மேம். சொல்றேன் மேம்.
ஓகே மா, குட். அதுதான் சொல்றேன். வெரி குட்.
பயோலூமினஸ் ரீஜன் இருக்கும். மோஸ்டா 6000 மீட்டர் டீப்ல இருக்கனால அது ஃபுல்லா பயோலூமினஸ் ரீஜனா தான் இருக்கும். அந்த ஆர்கானிசம் எல்லாமே அது ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ண முடியும். அது சில ஆர்கானிசம் வந்து அதாலே லைட் ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ண முடியும். சில ஆர்கானிசம் வந்து லைட் இல்லாமலே அந்த ஆர்கானிக் டெட் ஆர்கானிக் மேட்டர் டிபெண்ட் பண்ணி தான் இருக்கும். மோஸ்டா அந்த சன்லைட்டுக்கு தேவைப்படுற ஆர்கானிசம்லாம் அதாலே அது லைட் ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணிக்க முடியும்.
வெரி குட், எக்ஸலென்ட், சூப்பர். Yes, that is the spirit, Raghavi. Sukanya, got your answer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. So, Raghavi, and the clarity oda nee picture oda explain pannana, it will be very clarity. Good, good, Raghavi. Keep it up, keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, very good, Sukanya. Those who ask question, the way she give answer, good questions. அவங்களுக்குலாம் மார்க். only சரத் சுகன்யா கேட்டிருக்காங்க, வேற ஒருத்தவங்க கேட்டிருக்காங்க. யார் கேட்டிருக்காங்க தெரியல. சந்தியாஸ்ரீ, கபிலா.
Ma'am, can I ask?
Sandhyasree?
Ma'am, can I ask a question?
Yes, of course. You should ask her. I'm only saying. Please ask her.
What do bentos eat?
பென்டோஸ் வந்து அந்த செடிமெண்ட்ல இருக்க வேஸ்ட், அப்புறம் மீதி ஆர்கானிசம், அந்த சில ஆர்கானிசம் வந்து டெட் ஆர்கானிக் ஆர்கானிசம்லாம் இருக்கும்ல, அதை சாப்பிடுறது அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும்.
வேற Nastri?
Ma'am.
Yes. Please ask your questions to Raghavi.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, no questions, ma'am.
No questions. Then 0 mark. Question கேட்கணுமா?
Ma'am, யோசிச்சு கேக்குறேன் ma'am.
யோசிச்சு கேட்கக்கூடாது. What she presented. அவ present பண்ணும்போது லைவா தானே இருந்த?
ஆமா ma'am.
அப்ப கேட்கணும் உடனே. யோசிச்சு கேட்கறேன்னா அப்ப வந்து பிளான் பண்ணிலாம் கேட்கக்கூடாது கொஸ்டின்ஸ்லாம். ஆன் த ஸ்பாட்ல அவ என்ன பண்ணா பிரசன்ட் பண்ணா அத கிளியரா கேட்கணும். I want to repeat again from get answer from Raghavi. அப்படி இருக்கணும்.
Okay ma'am.
Adit, Anusha, no on the line. Jennifer, Evangeline,
Yes, ma'am.
Kumari, யாரு?
Anusha, ma'am.
Anusha,
I have network problem, ma'am. So that's
okay
why
dear. Okay dear. Ask the questions to Raghavi.
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute, ma'am.
Just a minute. Question தேர்றல. Sandhyasri?
Yes, ma'am.
Please ask a question on the spot.
Ma'am, 1 minute wait, ma'am.
என்னம்மா?
Ma'am, 1 minute wait, ma'am.
எல்லாம் 1 minute wait.
Ma'am, Raghavi, ma'am.
ராகவி சொல்றியா? சொல்லு ராகவி. Good ராகவி.
1 minute wait, ma'am.
Yes dear. I will wait for you dear.
Okay, ma'am.
அவங்களுக்குள்ள பேசிக்கிறாங்களா? என்ன क्वेश्चन கேளு நான் ஆன்சர் சொல்றேன்.
இல்ல ma'am.
Okay dear.
நான் லைன் பண்ண.
Okay Sanjay, I will ask you a question. You answer. Then let Raghavi come. Let Raghavi come and join. She said some species which are present in bentos. Okay?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
are the marine organisms present in the bentos? Can you name the name? Marine organisms like you can say marine fishes சொல்லலாம், marine reptiles சொல்லலாம், marine snakes இருக்கு. So can you give an example Sandhyasri?
Crabs, worms.
Crabs அப்படி சொல்லக்கூடாது. Species name சொல்லணும். When I have given நான் உங்களுக்கு species names எல்லாம் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். 5 pictures, 5 names எல்லாம் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். சொன்னனா இல்லையா Sandhyasri?
Yes, ma'am.
நான் எடுத்ததே அவ ரிப்பீட் பண்ணியிருக்கா. அவ சில எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்லல, ஆனா சொல்லணும். நேம்ஸ் சொல்லணும். உன் மைண்ட்ல என்ன இருக்கு?
Ma'am.
ஃபிஷ் பேர் சொல்லு. marine organisms தெரியா? Copepos,
Ma'am,
starfish.
sea cucumber.
Sea cucumber, sea urchins, starfish. Okay, Sanjasri, Siriyama?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, like that you should be attentive in class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, when Raghavi present also you have to answer question கேட்கணும். Okay, நான் இப்ப சில பேர் question கேட்கிறேன் இது. Reshma Sultana on the line?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, question சொல்லு ராகவி கிட்ட. கேளு. Raghavi is on the line.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
She's asking on a question.
Okay, ma'am.
1 minute சொல்லிட்டு போயிட்டு ஆளையா காணோம். லைன்ல இருக்கணும் நீ. Don't mute your volume. Mic.
Okay, ma'am.
Reshma, ask a question.
பெண்டிங் ஜோன் எல்லா ஓஷன்ஸ்லயும் இருக்குமா மேம்?
Venting ocean எல்லா ஓஷன்லயும் இருக்கா?
ஜோன் மேம், ஜோன்.
அது இருக்கும், எல்லாத்துலயுமே இருக்கும், அது இல்லாமலாம் இருக்காது.
Different zones. Different zones like different layers. அதற்கு layers name இருக்கு. என்னென்ன layers சொல்லு ராகவி?
Pelagic zone.
Yes.
Venting zone.
Hello. Epipelagic.
Pelagic, epipelagic. Benthic. அப்புறம்
ராகவி நீ சொல்லணும், நீ ஸ்லைட்ல சொல்லல, ஓகேவா? அதுக்காக தான் நான் கேட்டேன். டீடைலா பென்டோஸ் பத்தி நீ ஜஸ்ட் 12 ஸ்லைட்ஸ் தான் இருந்தது. It should be in detail. அப்படி சொன்னீங்கன்னு சொல்லிருந்தா அவ இது பண்ணிருப்பா. ஓகே. Anyway, Reshma asked question. Raghavi also answered, and also I am doing. Don't worry. Yes, Reshma, you will get the mark. Rishita Sri.
மேம் நான் கேட்கவா மேம்?
யார் கேக்குறா? நஸ்டின் யோசனை பண்ணி கேள்வி ரெடி பண்ணி இப்ப கேக்குறியா? ஆன் த ஸ்பாட் கேளு. கம் ஆன். நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் டோன்ட் வெயிட் டைம். ஆஸ்க் டைம்.
ஓகே மேம். பென்டிக் ஜோனோட இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் சொல்லு.
You should not say one second, Nastri. Friends, நேர்ல பேசும்போது எப்படி வேணா பேசலாம். Raghavi, can you tell me the zones? What is the question like that? அப்படி சொல்லணும். ராகவி கிட்ட அப்படி கேட்கணும். ஓகேவா? சொல்லு. You should give respect because this is a official, not personal. ஓகேவா? You should respect. Okay dear. Friends எல்லாம் உங்களுக்குள்ள போன்ல எப்படி வேணா chat பண்ணிக்கலாம். When you come to the official meeting, please tell Raghavi. Okay? Yes.
Raghavi, can you please say about the importance of bentic zone?
Very good. Like that.
Are you asking bentic organism importance?
Yes.
They act as a primary source. அது மீதி எப்படின்னா அதுக்கு மேல இருக்க ஜோன்ல உள்ள ஃபிஷ் எல்லாத்துக்குமே அது ஒரு பிரைமரி சோர்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஃபுட்டா இருக்கும். அப்புறம் இந்த எக்கோசிஸ்டம்ல ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஆனது அந்த இப்ப ஒரு இதுவும் சொல்லுவோம்ல, ஸ்மால் ஃபிஷ் பிக் ஃபிஷ், அந்த மாதிரி இந்த ஆர்கானிசமுமே அதுல உள்ளது அந்த எக்கோசிஸ்டம்ல ஒரு பார்ட் தான். அதனால இது அந்த இது அதுலயும் சொல்லலாம் அந்த ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட்னு. அப்புறம் மோஸ்டா அந்த வாட்டர் குவாலிட்டியை வந்து கரெக்டா சொல்றது, அந்த மாதிரி சொல்றதே வந்து இந்த பென்டிக் ஆர்கானிசம் தான். ஏன்னா அந்த அண்டர் லேயர் ரீஜியன்ல இருக்கறனால நம்ம அப்படி சொல்லலாம் அத.
Very good, very good, very good, Raghavi. Let's keep it up. Raghavi, your mark is out 90, 95.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So, like this, you have to present a seminar. The questions will be those who didn't ask question, I am noting down. They will get less marks when they submit, when they do preparation. Priyadashini, you didn't ask questions to Raghavi.
Ma'am, can I ask, ma'am?
Yes, I want that only. Please ask her.
Raghavi. இப்போ டெம்பரேச்சர்ஸ்லாம்
Please ask in question
இது
in
வந்து
English. Priyadashini asked in English. It's not a Tamil conversation.
You had explained in temperatures, right?
Yes.
Is there any certain specific temperature, or it can survive in all the temperature, that is minus degrees or plus degrees?
It will mostly in minus degree only it will be survive. In cold temperature only organism, bentic organism can survive because they are in deep ocean, no? So they will only survive in cold temperature.
Good, very good question, very good answer. Keep it up, both of you. Okay, Priyadashini, are you ready for your next presentation? Good, Raghavi. Excellent. Keep it up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Priyadashini.
Ma'am, already time up, ma'am.
Already time. Whenever if I say please, ma'am, I will do it, ma'am. That's spirit. I know it's time, but you don't say like that, okay? You will do it next class. Okay, children. Anyway, you have a break. Take that break. You will see in the next session. Where is Adit? Why you went? You were there on first. Children, please listen. Those whoever I'm telling to present a seminar should keep your mic ready. Rectify the mistake. Mic is not working. That is not working. Like that you should not say. And you have to come video. What's correct?
He has some Wi-Fi issues.
Okay, dear. When he is presenting, please tell him. Okay. So net connection, everything should be correct. Mic should be correct. Make it a point. So you have to be ready. Okay. When you're going for a presentation in any college, you're presenting means you cannot give excuse. So what they say, whatever we say, these students are giving excuses. So that itself, your points will come down. Whatever they say, you have to be ready at any time. So manage your things, right? Okay, children. So we will see in the next section.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye. Yes, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Raghavi, I'm so happy on Teachers' Day celebration. Raghavi presented very well and the question was asked by some students really good. Example, Suganya. Many other things too. Okay. We will see in the next session, children. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Happy
Thank you,
teachers.
dear. Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Thank you so much.